Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Blink Home Monitor app on iPhone step by step. This app lets you see live video, check recording and control your Blink cameras. First, unlock your iPhone and tap the Blink Home Monitor app. Log in using your Blink email or password. Once logged in, you will see your camera dashboard. On any camera name to open it. To see what's happening right now, tap the live view. You will see live videos from your camera. To exit live view, tap close. To watch save video, tap clips at the bottom of the screen. Here you can view monitor, alert and recording. Tap a clip to play it or delete it if you don't need it. At the top of the screen you will see armed or disarmed. Arm means the camera recording motion, disarm means it will not record. Tap the button to turn motion detection on or off. Tap the camera setting icon. Here you can change motion sensitivity, clip length, alert setting, lower sensitivity if you get too many alerts. Your camera connect through the Blink scan module. Make sure it shows online in the app. If it's offline, restart it by unplugging and plugging it back in. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.